you up to?
Nothing much, just hanging out.
Will you do me a favor? I'm in a big hurry. Will you be seeing Nana today?
Yeah, she'll be dropping by later.
Will you give this to her and tell her to give it to her brother?
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Make sure you don't forget to tell her to give this to him today.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, nothing much, just hanging out.
What's that?
Oh, yeah, Cece told me to give this to you.
Stay for me?
No, she told me not to forget to tell you to give it to her brother.
But he doesn't have a brother.
Then your brother.
Oh, that makes sense. Thanks.
Yeah, sure, no problem. Take it easy.
Reported speech adalah bagian yang membingungkan di dalam bahasa Inggris. Oftentimes, when people begin learning English, when they talk about something someone said to them, they'll use a quotation. For example, she said, "I am busy." Tetapi, di dalam situasi ini, jika aku mau bicara tentang apa yang orang lain bicara pada aku harus gunakan reported speech. So you would say, she said she was busy. Kamu harus ganti subjek dan biasanya harus ganti untuk bentuk past tense. We'll see later in the dialogue how one of the people becomes confused because the reported speech is not correct. Untuk hangout merupakan bahasa yang berhubungan dengan bahasa Inggris sehari-hari. Untuk mengatakan bahwa kamu tidak melakukan hal yang khusus, biasanya dengan teman. Ini digunakan oleh anak-anak muda di negara barat atau untuk menjelaskan tindakan para remaja itu. Ini berarti untuk menghabiskan waktu dengan teman. We can also say things like spend time or get together with somebody.
Nothing much, just hanging out.
Will you do me a favor?
In a hurry berarti untuk cepat-cepat pergi ke suatu tempat. Kita harus menggunakan in di depan hurry, dan di dalam situasi ini hurry itu bukan kata kerja, itu kata benda. To be in a hurry. We can also say I'm in a rush.
I'm in a big hurry. Will you be seeing Nana today?
Drop by is a more casual or natural way to say go or come somewhere. Di depan kata itu drop, kita harus menempatkan preposisi in, by, or over. We can say, I dropped in on my friend yesterday. Atau, I dropped by the store on my way home. Atau, dengan permintaan pada orang lain, kita bisa mengatakan, why don't you drop over later? Always try to replace the simple English, like go or come, with more casual English using prepositions. We can also use this with come. Why don't you come over later? Rather than come to my house.
Yeah, she'll be dropping by later.
Will you give this to her and tell her to...
Hal yang penting untuk diketahui dalam menggunakan structure reported speech adalah bahwa kita harus menggunakan structure tell plus subject plus that or to, atau say plus that or to. We use that when we're communicating information about something. For example, she told me that she was busy. I said that I would call her. And we use to when we're giving orders or instructions or giving advice. She said to call him. I said I would go to their party. The teacher told me to study hard. Kita juga bisa melihat di dalam dialog ini itu structure bentuk negatif di dalam reported speech. Tu gadis pertama bilang pada dia untuk don't forget to tell her. Dan nanti dia mengulangi instruksi ini kepada gadis kedua. She told me not to forget to tell you. Daripada mengulangi lagi, don't, kita harus menempatkan not in front of to. The structure told me not to atau said not to. For example, he told me not to call him. They told them not to be late. The police officer told him not to do that again.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, nothing much, just hanging out.
What's that?
Oh, yeah, Cece told me to give this to you.
Is it for me?
No, she told me not to forget to tell you to give it to her brother.
But she doesn't have a brother.
Then your brother.
Oh, that makes sense. Thanks.
Yeah, sure, no problem. Take it easy.